Hello students, welcome in virtual classroom. Today we are learning grammar concept which is really very much important, and this concept is model auxiliaries. We already have studied model auxiliaries part 1 in which we have studied auxiliaries such as can, could, will, would, shall, should, etc. Now in this video we are going to study again most important auxiliaries such as used to, may, must, dare to, ought to, etc. There are two types of auxiliary verbs, primary auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. Primary auxiliaries are the verbs which modify other verbs in a full verb phrase, and modal auxiliary change the meanings of other words. Let's revise quickly what auxiliary verbs means. Auxiliary means to provide additional or supplementary help. Auxiliary verb means helping verb which is used with a main verb. Auxiliary verbs express the main verb's tense, mood, or voice. In the earlier video, that is in the first part of model auxiliaries, we already have studied multiple examples and functions of the auxiliaries such as can, could, shall, should, will, would. In today's video, in today's e-lecture, we are learning moods or functions of auxiliary verbs may, might, must, ought to, used to, need to, dare to, and have to. So, the very first model auxiliary in today's e-lecture is may, which indicates possibility and other functions as well. So, the very first function of model auxiliary verb may is possibility. Let's try to study these sentences. It may rain heavily. James may get first class in exam. She may not perform today. I may go to Canada next month. May is also used to indicate permission. For example, may I come in, sir? May I use your cell phone? Only staff may use this office and they may invent COVID 19 vaccine. Next function of may is showing desire or wish. For example, may God bless you a lot. May you have a happy new year. You may achieve great success and you may be the winner of final match. Here these are sentences where with the help of modal auxiliary may the desire of wishing is expressed. Next function of may is doing polite offer. For example, may I share my story with you? May I add you in my Facebook group? May we start a business together? May I pay the interest of the loan? Etc. Next function of may is for request. For example, may I speak to Mr. William please? The office closes, you may go now. You may wait there for some time and you may stand in queue, where may is used for conveying request. Next model auxiliary verb is might. Might is again used to convey various moods like possibility, suggestion, etc. First mood or first function which might represents or denotes is possibility. It might rain heavily tonight. They might come by train. She might pass the driving test today, and Mark might be late due to bad weather. Next function is suggestion. You might consider running every morning. Joyce might not study chemistry today. He might control his anger and they might not go to beach in this situation. Next function of might is showing conditional sentences. If you don't wear a sweater, you might catch a cold. I might meet the patient if you allow me to go in. If they won the toss, they might win the match. and Sharon might support you if you ask her. So, in these sentences, might is used for showing condition. Next function of might is permission. For example, might I come in, ma'am? You might go on tour for 10 days. Scott might upload all PDFs now and they might meet the minister one by one, etc. Next model auxiliary is must. Must conveys compulsion. For example, you must attend the lectures regularly. You must solve all 20 questions. They must pass the fitness test first, and Johnny must be there before 11 o'clock. So, here in all these sentences, must is used for showing compulsion. Next one, obligation. We must respect our teachers. He must help his brother in this situation. You must follow all traffic rules and you must wear seat belt while driving. Next function of must is giving advice. For example, study these sentences. You must use mask wherever you go. She must inform her mother about illness. We must sanitize our hands frequently and they must avoid playing mobile games. Next function of must is for showing or speaking anything about or related threat. I must call police if you find guilty again. I must hack the data in your computer. You must not live in this apartment and I must kidnap your son. So these are the sentences where must is used for showing threat. Next function, intention. I must submit my profile next week. We must have the house painted soon. Next function of must is necessity. Look at the sentences carefully which are in front of you on the slide. You must remove your shoes outside. We must measure blood oxygen level daily. Next function, prohibition. You must avoid smoking at public place. You must not carry mobiles in exam hall. Next function of must is determination. I must stand first in college this year. John must become a software engineer. All nations must fight against COVID 19 and we must learn computer for better future. Next model auxiliary is ought to, which is used or which conveys expectation or advice. Let's try to read and study these sentences. You ought to change your behavior. Merlin ought to wake up at 5 a.m. Students ought to go to library in queue and he ought to avoid eating fast foods. Next function of ought to is probability. For example, we ought to have completed it by the evening. George ought to deliver a speech soon. The guests ought to arrive by train and he ought to get a reply tomorrow. Next function of ought to is obligation. We ought to protect birds and animals. You ought to listen carefully before you write. You ought to pay your loan installment and they ought to support tsunami victims. Next function of ought to is guess. For example, study these sentences. The books ought to be enough for the whole school. Our football team ought to win today. All teachers ought to go on tour next week. And Smith ought to start his magic show. Next model auxiliaries have to or has to, which are used to denote certainty and compulsion. First function of have to or has to is certainty. For example, they have to be the right location. Julie has to submit the mail again. You have to be in the class and he has to pay extra for this booking. Next function of have to and has to is compulsion. You have to agree with the terms and conditions. Henry has to read the privacy policy. Students have to attend online classes. Ahmed has to write an essay within 1 hour. Next function of have to or has to is speaking about duty. For example, you have to complete the target by tomorrow. Paul has to reach the interview on time. Citizens have to keep the city clean and the watchman has to be very careful. Next function of have to or has to is speaking about compulsion or obligation. For example, let's try to study all these sentences carefully, which shows obligation. We have to respect our national anthem. He has to quarantine himself at home. Tourists have to enter with entry tickets, and you have to paste your photo here. Next function of have to or has to is necessity. We have to use mask wherever we go. You have to save the file before you close it. Scott has to write all the rules in notebook and farmers have to store grains safely. Next model auxiliary is used to. It denotes or it conveys actions related to past habit. For example, we used to walk after dinner. They used to play football every Sunday. Every day the parrot used to come on this tree and my mother used to cook early in morning. Next function of used to is speaking about past existence. Study these sentences carefully. There used to be a fort here. There used to be hospital in this area. These are the signs that people used to hunt here. It proves that leopard used to come here daily. Next model auxiliary is need to, which functions as showing necessity and speaking about obligation. So the first function of need to is necessity. For example, study these sentences. We need to leave this place urgently. They needn't waste their time here. I need to support her in this condition, and Andrea needs to collect fund for flood victims. Next function of need to is obligation. The players need to finish match in time. You need to attend today's conference. Gloria needn't talk on this issue now, and teachers need not teach all lessons. Next model auxiliary, dare to, which is used for speaking about courageous things. It conveys the mood of courage. For example, they dared to catch the poisonous snakes. I dared not go in the forest alone. Louis dared to jump in flood water and she dared not talk to him. So, in this way, today in this virtual lecture, we tried to learn various model auxiliaries with ample examples. Now we will meet in the next virtual lecture with another exciting information about a new topic. Thank you.